Did you know that everything you've been taught about diet and exercise is wrong? Hi, I'm Sally Thibault, author of the new book, Tapping to Reclaim You, How to Reignite Your Passion, Power and Purpose in 30 Days. And I'd love to invite you to a new webinar, How to Embrace the Art of Intuitive Eating. You know, I've been doing this for over 30 years and teaching my clients. And once you learn to get rid of the diet mentality and change up your exercise, everything changes. So if you're ready to learn a new way to increase your energy, decrease your weight, and feel so much better, please join me on the webinar. Just click on the link for a date and time that suits you, and I'd love to help you embrace the art of intuitive eating to truly reclaim you.